Why is the cheetah such a pushover? It has a 0 to 60 of 3 seconds, which is faster than a Ferrari, yet it gets bullied by hyenas on the daily. Look at a lion or a tiger. Those are the kings of the jungle. Even your house cat has an attitude problem. But the cheetah is basically a ball of anxiety, living in constant fear. The reason is that the cheetah put every single skill point into speed, and 0 into strength or defense. It is the ultimate glass cannon build. To run that fast, it starved itself into a skeleton, so if a lion slaps it or a zebra kicks it, it is basically game over. It is physically impossible for a cheetah to get swole, because physics says no. The cheetah is built like a Formula 1 car. Its bones are hollow and light, and its head is tiny to cut through the air. This means its bite force is pathetic compared to other cats. It also has claws that do not retract, like permanent track spikes for traction, which means they get dull and turn into useless nubs for fighting. Plus, this supercar has a terrible cooling system. When it runs, its body temperature skyrockets like an overclocked gaming PC. If it does not stop after a few seconds, its brain will literally cook. It has a massive cooldown period where it is totally defenseless. But wait, it gets worse. Cheetahs are actually mutants that survived a near-extinction event during the Ice Age. The population got so small that every cheetah alive today is basically a clone of every other cheetah. The genetic diversity is so low that you can skin graft a patch from one cheetah to another, and their immune system will not even reject it. This makes them incredibly fragile, because one bad virus could wipe out the entire server. Because they overheat so fast, their win rate is high, but their loot retention is terrible. After a hunt, they have to lay there gasping for air for 30 minutes. That is when hyenas or vultures come in and steal their lunch. They cannot fight back because an injury means they cannot run, and if they cannot run, they starve. But there is a plot twist. Their weakness is actually their survival hack. Because they are not aggressive and they do not roar, they actually chirp like birds. Humans have always loved them. Ancient Egyptians kept them as pets, and today we spend millions protecting them in zoos. Basically, the cheetah proved that you do not need to be the strongest. You just need pretty privilege and a wealthy sponsor to survive.